So let's begin with inheritance. This exercise actually doesn't relate directly to the homework, but I want you to try it anyway. The exercise is to create a child class that inherits. Um, Now, you have a choice here. You can either watch me do it, or you can try to do it yourself before continuing. It depends on how much time you have and how much you want to challenge yourself on this. All the solutions to the exercises are here. So we have the answer to the first solution right here. I could type it out or I could just demonstrate it. But as we work, you'll have the chance here, if you open up the notebook yourself, to try these things out, and we should be able to see the result. The object of the first exercise is to create a child class that inherits. So when we create a child class, we need to have a parent class. And any class will do, but we're going to go ahead and create one. For now, I'm just going to create a parent and a child. The pass statement there is just something I'm going to use to fill in the block so that there can be something in the block. I could easily put in a string comment, maybe I should do that. So the parent class is just a class that has nothing in it. And the child class is a class that also has nothing in it. But you can see what's different about the child class. It has parent in parentheses after the name child. So that means that it inherits from parent. And this is how inheritance works. Now, obviously, these classes don't have to be called child and parent. I'm just trying to make them extremely apparent exactly how we do this. We're saying that child inherits from parent. Now, at a very basic level, if we create any sort of method and we call it through, we can call it through the object, right? Actually, I need to make sure to put in self in my object methods. And the point here is that I should be able to call the child do this. That should be easy enough. Once I've created a child object, of course, I should be able to call do this, but I should also be able to call do. And if I do that, you can see that it's possible to call the parent's method. This is the essence of inheritance, the ability to access attributes in the parent class. So the parent's attribute, or we can also call it, we've been calling it the class variable for parent, is the do method, which is a function, a specialized kind of function called a method, defined in the parent class. And we're able to access it through a child object because of inheritance. The way it works is this. When we say cc.do, the first place Python looks for the do attribute is in the object itself, inside cc. But it can't find it there, so it looks in the child class. And it can't find a do in the child class. So it looks in the child's inheritance list, and we're seeing one class there, the parent class. It then says, oh, I inherit from parent, so I'll check up there. And it, in fact, does find do there. So this is the essence of inheritance, and this is what makes inheritance powerful. It would take a little longer, really, to fully explain why inheritance is such an amazing thing. But it will slowly dawn on you as you continue to work with classes.